Right, so what you're going to do here is you're going to prepare your photograph so that you can take it into Illustrator. You want to make life easy for yourself, and to do that you may have a color photograph, and to make it easier to select where you're going to put your type on your image in Illustrator, it will be easier to change it to black and white first. So the way to do that is to open, and you're going to locate a sourced image that you have. So I have one here of Usher, open. Okay, now, as you know, when you get images off the internet, they look fine when they're down small, but if you try and enlarge it or put it to another purpose, it loses a lot of image quality. So you're best when you source your image off the internet to go to the actual source and get the largest image resolution that you can. So for this, I'm going to go to image and image size. And then I'm going to make the width 100 millimeters, and I'm going to make the resolution 300 so I have a better resolution, and let's see what happens. Okay, and then Control 0 to fit the screen in my page. All right, so you can see it loses a lot of information. So I will see how that goes with trying to change it to black and white. If it doesn't work for me, then I'll have to go back and source a better quality image to work with. So now I'm going to change it to black and white image, adjustments, and down to threshold. So there we have some detail here. Now we've got a slider here, and we can play around with how much or little black and white that we want. And so once you're happy with it, so you want enough to show some of the features and not wash it out too much. So you might save it somewhere like here, but I can tell because this is a poor quality photo, it's not working very well. So I'll go OK and leave it here. Then File, Save As, and you're going to save it as a TIFF file to take into Illustrator. Save.